Filtering. It's really important to tailor a journey map to a specific audience, to not overwhelm them with data they're not interested in, they don't understand yet. So we can use filters. The most simple one is to filter by lane. You simply select the lanes you want to show, and by that reduce the visual clutter and only focus on the lanes you actually want to show. But you can also combine these. So if I now maybe pick the emotional journey as well, we see now at a step where different personas have a different experience. Now we can also add a layer of persona filtering to it. So if I want to show only, let's say, the blue persona, I pick the blue persona, and you see that only the cards which are tagged with the blue persona now appear. If you also want to show the infrastructural cards around it, which have no persona tag, select the no persona tag and they will appear. What you also see is the emotional journey also filters accordingly. So you only see the blue persona now, and again, all these lanes that have no persona filter. If I now select and switch maybe to the yellow one, you see only the yellow graph and all the cards that have the yellow filtering there, the yellow persona there. Now, if we scroll down, you see different kind of filtering options, because we also have a tagging feature. So you can filter 4 different tags, current state versus future states, or filter 4 specific portfolio items. For example, show me everything that is currently in research, or show me anything that is as, let's pick priority, selected as a high priority. So different filtering options, and the combination of that makes it really interesting. If we go back to tagging, by the way, you can filter 4 specific tags, but then you can also say, well, maybe you want to filter for those cards and get these ones out of the view, for example. If you select multiple ones, you can even choose an or and filter. So have a specific combination of anything that has this specific combination of tags if you like to. Really strong filtering. If you combine it with views, you can save any filter as a view. For example, if we look at our flow lane, here filtering looks slightly different. If we filter for a specific tag there, the others are still visible but grayed out in the background, and the one is highlighted that you want to see. So this is how filtering works on a journey map. I'm curious what you make out of it.